Welcome to Linux Help. In today's session, we are going to see how to install Prometheus on Ubuntu 22.04. Prometheus is an open-source technology intended to deliver monitoring and alerting capabilities for cloud-native environments, such as Kubernetes. It is capable of collecting and storing metrics in the form of time series data, systematically recording information with associated timestamps. At first, check the OS version. I'm using Ubuntu 22.04 version. Before installing Prometheus, update the repository using apt update. Repository has been updated. Now install Prometheus by using the following command. Prometheus has been installed. Edit the Prometheus configuration file. Change the following line with your server IP address. Then save the file and exit. Restart Prometheus to apply the changes. Then check the status. Now open the browser, and search with the server IP address, with the port number 9090. This is the Prometheus dashboard page. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.